Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the flight schedule in the Vistara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the flight schedule button. So here you have to give the origin country. And then give the destination country. And then set the date. And then you can also tick if you want to see the returning flights as well. But then if you don't, then just click on the view schedule. And for this specific date, there were no records found, but then just look for another date. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.